Good morning! In this video, I would love to show you how to use nature and things that you actually have at home to make your own cosmetic product. What's better than super natural, organic ingredients to put on your face? First thing after I wake up, I drink water. It's very important. You get your body start working, your digestion working. It's very important for your skin. I love to come to my garden, feel a little bit connection with the nature, have a fresh air and start my day. I have two small children and one of them is actually still a newborn, so I don't get much sleep. I have to say I constantly feel my eyes look very tired. I want to help them as much as I can in a natural way. I'm going to show you how to get rid of dark circles under your eyes. So basically what you need is green tea. I have this organic green tea here, some cotton pads, and I use grapefruit. You can use lemon, but me personally, I love to use grapefruit. It's great for refreshing your skin as well. We put this in the fridge for a couple of hours. When it's nicely chilled, you can use it. Put it under ice. You can make as many as you want and just storage them in the fridge for a whole week. And that's it. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make your natural face or body scrub. So basically a natural exfoliator to get rid of all the dirt on your skin or dead skin. Yeah, let's do it. Only using two ingredients, which is brown sugar and olive oil. Yeah, that's it. Sugar, oil, put it nicely on your face. You can also make it a lot. Place it in a glass jar, keep it in a fridge and have it for long. You can also carry a little bit with you or just at home and put it on your lips when they are dry. Nice massage. And what's really cool, you can just eat it. Let me show you now how to make a avocado mask. What we need is avocado. Avocado is full of natural oils, which is great for your skin. White natural yogurt, grapefruit juice, 2 teaspoons of honey, done. Your super natural, healthy, amazing avocado honey yogurt face mask. So I just show you how to make your own homemade, very natural beauty products at home, such as face scrub or body scrub, avocado mask, how to remove your eye dark circles, and keep drinking water, because that's very important. Healthy eating. And I know it's hard when we are moms, very busy moms, to find time for ourselves and do these things, but really try to have an hour for yourself. Pamper your body, pamper your mind, relax. And this is actually a fun thing to do even with children. That can be a mommy and children activity as well. And what's amazing, because it's so natural, so homemade and organic, you can even put it on your children's face and you can have fun. And one more thing I want to mention, don't forget to rest and sleep, because beauty sleep is everything. We have a half avocado left. What we're gonna do? Eat it. I say that many times and I truly believe in that. Beauty comes from inside, from healthy drinking and healthy eating. So merci mama, na, sing your happy mood out, na. The best thing is you can eat your cosmetic product. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe the video, and if you really enjoy it, press the like and let me know in the comments if you like this and what do you want me to do more. See you soon. So good.